Level 3 Intermediate Lesson 5 Using Conditionals 0 and First Conditional. Welcome. In this lesson, you will learn about zero conditional and first conditional. These are useful when you talk about real situations, rules and facts, possible future plans or results. Let's begin step by step. Zero conditional, facts and general truths. We use the zero conditional to talk about things that are always true, like facts, habits, or rules. Structure: if plus present simple, present simple. Examples: if you heat water, it boils. If it rains, the roads get wet. If people eat too much, they get fat. Exercise: if you sugar in chai, it becomes sweet. Put or puts. If you put sugar in chai, it becomes sweet. If you don't water plants, they die or dies. If you don't water plants, they die. More life examples. Let's see more examples using zero conditional. If you eat pani puri, your hands get messy. If it's summer, people drink more nimbu pani. If the power goes off, we use the inverter. If you touch a flame, it burns. Exercise: if the power goes off, we, the inverter, use or using. If the power goes off, we use the inverter. If you street food, be careful, eat or eats. If you eat street food, be careful. First conditional, possible future situations. We use the first conditional to talk about real future situations that are possible. Structure: if plus present simple, will plus verb. Examples: if it rains, I will stay at home. If you study, you will pass the exam. If they call, I will answer. Exercise: if you study, you pass the test. Will or should. If you study, you will pass the test. If it, we will cancel the picnic. Rains or raining. If it rains, we will cancel the picnic. Examples: first conditional. Here are some examples from daily life. If the train comes late, we will wait. If you wake up early, you will catch the sunrise. If we finish our work, we will go for chai. If she cooks biryani, I will come to your house. Exercise: if we finish early, we go for chai. Will or can. If we finish early, we will go for chai. If she gulab jamun, I will be happy. Makes or made. If she makes gulab jamun, I will be happy. Comparing zero and first conditional. Zero conditional is always true. First conditional might happen in future. Examples: zero. If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. First, if you mix the wrong paint, you will ruin the wall. Zero. If the bell rings, the class ends. Every day. First, if the bell rings now, I will leave. This time. Exercise: if you salt in food, it tastes better. Put or will put. If you put salt in food, it tastes better. Zero. If you late, you will miss the bus. Are or were. If you are late, you will miss the bus. First. Short story. Conditionals in use. If you don't get ready now, we will be late. If we miss the bus, mom will be angry. If mom gets angry, we are in trouble. So let's hurry. This is the first conditional in action. Exercise. If we miss the bus, mom, be angry, will or would. If we miss the bus, mom will be angry. If mom gets angry, we in trouble are or will be. If mom gets angry, we will be in trouble. Repeat and practice. If it rains, I will stay at home. If you eat too much, you feel sick. If we study, we will pass the exam. If you heat water, it boils. If he comes, I will talk to him. Repeat these again and again to remember the rules. Final challenge. If you milk, it boils. Heat or will heat. If you heat milk, it boils. If we don't leave now, we miss the train, will or can. If you don't leave now, we will miss the train. If I tired, I go to bed early, am or will be. If I am tired, I go to bed early. If it tomorrow, we will stay home, rains or rain. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay home. Recap. Zero conditional, if plus present simple, present simple. Use for facts, habits and rules. First conditional, if plus present simple, will plus verb. Use for real future possibilities. Well done. Keep practicing conditionals every day. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.